helpful tip for you guys that's having trouble with your seatbelt lights on a Volvo 2016 model, 2017. Having trouble with a seatbelt. You put your seatbelt on. You can actually put your seatbelt on. Light doesn't go out. You can wiggle it. You can jiggle it. You can do all that. You can pull on it. Light's still not going out. It's probably gonna need probably a solution here would be to replace this buckle itself. But for a quick solution to get the aggravating buzzard off, if you go back here and follow this wire, I've done cut the zip ties off of it and everything so you guys can see it. Follow it down. There's two wires here. Just simply unplug it, pull it out. Light's still on. Just simply unplugging it won't do it. You have to have a paper clip or something similar to a paper clip, maybe a keychain or key ring or something like that, maybe work for you. But you're gonna have to bend it. If you look at the end of the plug, see there's two little prongs there. And there's two wires. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to cross them wires up. But here's what I had. I had a paper clip, what I worked with, and I just cut it down to size. And see if I can show you guys. Basically all I done is just contact to contact. I'll push it in a little bit. That gets a little better contact. Let's see if that light's still on. I've done tried it. Drove the truck around. No ring, 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 ding, 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 ding while you're driving down the road. So maybe that'll be a helpful tip for you guys.